Hi, this is Kimitina, and during Computer Science Education Week, I had students write programs using the Microbit editor. They had to download their program to their local device and then upload it into Google Classroom and attach it to their assignment. So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how, as a teacher, use that workflow to assess their project and return it back to them. So right now I am in a student view in Google Classroom, and I am on the classwork page. I opened up the activity, and I am going to add my project file to this assignment. So I click Add, File, select Files from Computer, and find my project file, which is a HEX file. I upload it into the assignment in Google Classroom, and I hit Turn In. Now that assignment is turned in, and it is attached to my Microbit activity. Now I am going to go into a teacher view. So as a teacher, I am going to go to the classwork page, click on the Microbit activity, and see that I have one student who turned it in. So I'm going to click on that, and I can see all the students that turned in my assignment, which is my test student, Pebbles Rocks. So I'm going to click on her attachment, and it opens up the grade-in shell. Well, it can't preview my hex file because it doesn't understand the file format of this file. So I'm going to click download, and this file will be downloaded to my local device. And at this point here, I'm going to open up a new tab and go to the Microbit website, which is makecode.microbit.org. And I am going to import the project file and click Import File again. Choose my hex file from my local device, click Open, and click Go Ahead. And now their project is imported into the workspace, and I am able to view the program and view the output on the simulator. Now at this point, what I do is I go back into Google Classroom, I go into the grade-in shell, and I give the student a grade, and I provide feedback here as well in the private comments. I click Post, and then I can actually return it if I wanted. And now the student, if I go back into the student view and refresh the page, the student will see their grade when they open up the assignment, which is a 4 out of 4. I hope you found this screencast helpful.